your hand on the waist like it used to. Know my name went thin in the silver air. You turned your head and I froze right there. Oh, I knew that cold, oh, I knew that stare. Same old tilt of your smile like you never cared. My heart hit stone, then split in two. I wore your promise and it burned through. You chose her, not me. You chose her, not me. Right in front of me, I broke quietly. You chose her, not me. You chose her, not me. And I still loved you like a thief loves keys. She leaned in close, you laugh like that. That low soft laugh that I begged back. Her fingers brushed the side of your face. I tasted blood in that crowded place. Oh, I knew that cold, oh, I knew that stare. Same old tilt of your smile like you never cared. My heart hit stone, then split in two. I wore your promise and it burned through. You chose her, not me. You chose her, not me. Right in front of me, I broke quietly. You chose her, not me. You chose her, not me. And I still love you like a thief loves keys. Go on, turn away, let the room go black. I got your ghost still tied to my back. If I sing your name, it comes out like smoke. If I say goodbye, I might finally choke. You chose her, not me. You chose her, not me. Right in front of me, I broke quietly. You chose her, not me. You chose her, not me. Bright eyes in the red, and I leave you with me.